Hey there, future biologists! Today, I'm going to take you on an exciting journey through the 8th grade Biology NCERT syllabus. Buckle up, because this is going to be a fun ride. First off, we dive into the world of... Did you know that cells are like tiny factories? You'll learn about the nucleus, mitochondria, and even the Golgi apparatus. These little guys are the building blocks of life. Next, let's talk about... From the yogurt in your fridge to the mold on bread, microorganisms are everywhere. Some are helpful, like bacteria that help in digestion, while others can cause diseases. Moving on, we have... This chapter teaches us how important it is to protect our environment. You'll learn about endangered species and ways we can conserve our natural resources. All right, let's get energetic with... Ever wondered how life begins? This chapter covers everything from fertilization to the development of embryos. Then we explore. Yep, it's time to talk about puberty. Changes in the body, emotional roller coasters, and how to navigate through it all. Trust me, this is super important. Next stop, learn about different types of forces, from gravitational to frictional. You'll find out how pressure works and its role in everyday life. Finally, we have... It's not just about stopping your bike. Friction plays a huge role in motion and safety. You'll be amazed at how this force affects everything around us. And that's a quick tour of your 8th grade biology syllabus. Remember, biology is not just a subject, it's the study of life itself. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun educational videos. See you next time.